I've had knee replacement and this and that, and this will be so much easier and safer. It was excellent. It was nice that someone would do what they said they were going to do with no surprises. And that was the best part of it. Plus they were quick and efficient, and didn't goof off, and showed respect for the property and did a great job. Well, we've been here 27 years, and the bathtub was too hard to step over in the back bathroom, so we just pulled the bathtub, and the old shower was a kit, like to get it, different places, and it had a seat, but the seat was way down here, and so getting up for me was impossible. And plus having a seat is terrific. Every time I shower, I've got a routine. I'll wash my hair or whatever on what's left on the seat, and I feel better on the seat. I love having the lower shower head you can take off, and it's got a wand on it. I take a little longer shower than I used to. I have to admit that. Got an extra bar, and you reach in, you've got something to hold and it's steady. It's not will ever pull out. It's not, and then you can get comfortable. I say you get what you pay for. Now you can go to places to get things a lot cheaper. You can probably go to places to get things that cost a lot more. But it fell within our budget. We've been, saving for it, and I'd recommend it.